Welcome to another episode of Codewars. Today we'll be trying our skills with keep up the hoop, where we are using if statement, also generate range of integers, where we are using our append method, and also some for loops with the first one, the last one elements, and the jump. We also will be using with the white-mouthed frog, string lower method and if statement, and in the counting sheep we will be using for loop and if statement also, and in FIXME replace all dots we will be using string replace method. So let's get started. In function we need to take n, which is number of hoops that Alex gets, and if it's 10 or more hoops we must return string gray. Now move on to the tricks, and if he doesn't get 10 hoops we must return string keep at it until you get it. Here I am checking if our hoops are greater than 10 or equals 10, and then return the string, and for the other cases I just return the string. We need to generate the range of numbers when we have given first number and the last one number, and also the jump. In our function we are taking min value, max value, and the step. Also the for loop has the same part of information where we can input min value, which is our first value, also the max value, which is our maximal value, and the step, which is the jump between the numbers. And here I just append our list of integers and then I return it. We get an animal with the function, and if an animal is alligator we need to return small, and otherwise we return white. Firstly, we check if animal is equals alligator, and we also need to compare to the alligator with upper cases like this. It will also must works, and it's also alligator. So we need to convert this to the lower case to check if it's equals to this one, and then we return small, and for other cases we return white. We need to count how many sheeps are in the array which we are taking in our function, and one sheep is represented by the true. We are taking sheep, which is array, and if it's true it's represent that there is one sheep, and if it's true we need to increase our counter by 1, and then we must return counter because we are interested in numbers of sheep in our array which we are taking. We need to correct the function to remove all dots in string and replace them with dashes. In Python to replace something in string by something, you can just use replace method, and in the first parameter it takes what we want to replace, and in the second one with what we want to replace this part. Thanks for watching. Code will be in the description, and see you in the next one.